In this video, we are going to see how we can create and share a Google Doc link in Google Docs. So what you can do is, first of all, to open Google Docs, you just write docs.google.com. That's it. And you land on this section. And if you, let's say, are in Google Drive, you can also head over to Google Docs just by clicking on these three lines, and you head over to Google Docs or whatever section you want in. And let's say that we want to create a blank document, a brand new document. So this is an untitled document, my practice document. And let's say I write anything here just to show you. And after that, I want to share this Google Doc link. So all I have to do is just click on the top right hand corner and click on the share icon. And you just add the email accounts that you want to share it with. So mostly it should be a Gmail account so that the Google products can interact with them clearly and smoothly. So let's say that we add an email address. Now it's your choice if you want to make him an editor, viewer, or just a commenter. So let's say it's a group project and he should be the editor. You just notify their roles or any message basically that you want to write, and you send it. So basically this shared link will only be shared to that particular person. What we can also do here is we just click on the journal access, and let's say we want to share it publicly. So anyone with this link can view it. Most probably it should be a viewer, because you don't want any random person to just change information in your Google Docs. So maybe it's a report and you want that to be shown publicly. You just set a viewer access, copy the link, and you can share it with many people. The link would appear something like this. After that, you can use link shorteners to show you a compact link for this document. So once anyone clicks on it, it will be opened. Let's try it also in incognito mode. It will open, but it will be a view only access. So if you want to edit it, you want to request the edit access. So that's how you can create and share Google Doc link publicly and with individual persons. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.